profusely thank our intelligence agencies and our sleuths for actually saving maybe thousands, tens of thousands of lives, because here, as the case turned out to be, and you've brought out a lot of facts for which I congratulate you and your team, but this was the result of 80 kilos of ammonium nitrate exploding. These terrorists had collected more than 3,000 kilos. And just to give you an estimate of the kind of power that explosion could bring about, Timothy McVeigh in the mid-1990s, he exploded an Oklahoma federal building using 1,000 kilos less ammonium nitrate than these people had collected. And that building was blasted to smithereens. So something big was planned. And it's not just that they had planned it very recently, because as you know, there is an Ammonium Nitrate Act which the UPA brought about in 2012, that no Indian can freely procure ammonium nitrate. The only people allowed to procure it are scientists who work in a university or in labs, and there too, you can only procure 5 kilos and you have to inform the police. Now, if these people had collected 3,000 kilograms, they would have had to have done it in 600 quantas. So obviously, it was a proper teamwork, and a lot of other people would also have to be investigated to find out the bottom of it. Having said that, you're quite right. This was a panic attack, if I can use that phrase. And ammonium nitrate, unlike RDX, does not need a detonator, proper detonator. Heat can actually trigger the explosion. And in this case, possibly because for 5 or 6 hours the car was on, maybe the CNG cylinder heated up to an extent that it requires 150 to 170 degrees to be the trigger for exploding ammonium nitrate. If ammonium nitrate is mixed with oil, which a lot of terrorists tend to do as well, then you need a lower temperature. So I think you're right, this is what has happened, that ammonium nitrate has exploded, unintended, but of course I would still call it not a Fidayeen attack, as Sushant has rightly said, but it is a terror attack, because sooner or later, and God forbid, 3,000 kilograms of it would have been exploded. So we thank the